Artificial sun. Fossil fuel is the most widely used source of energy today. Yet, there are critical limitations, such as the environmental pollution and depletion of the resource the fossil fuel uses. Correspondingly, scientists are considering nuclear fusion as an alternative. Today, we will have a look at the nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is also called the artificial sun because sun produces energy through nuclear fusion. Scientists expect that finding an easy way of using nuclear fusion will allow us to produce an enormous amount of energy. The total energy used around the whole world every year can be produced by the sun in 0.001 second. An artificial sun can't be exactly the same as the real sun yet. It will still be able to produce a significant amount of energy. Nuclear fusion has less environmental impact. The current nuclear power plants have an issue of safely processing the radioactive waste. However, nuclear fission produces energy by combining small atoms, such as hydrogen atoms, to create atoms of another element. The newly produced atoms are rarely radioactive and safer. The most commonly used hydrogen atoms for nuclear fusion nowadays are deuterium and tritium. An atom consists of the nucleus and electrons around the nucleus. Inside the nucleus there are protons, which are positively charged, and neutrons, which are electrically neutral. Most of the hydrogen nuclei consist of one proton. Yet, a rare number of hydrogen nuclei found in the nature consist of one proton and one neutron. In fact, some have one proton and two neutrons. Hydrogen with one neutron is called a deuterium and two neutrons is called a tritium. Energy is produced from nuclear fusion of deuterium or tritium atoms. Fusion of two deuterium atoms require high temperature, whereas fusion of two tritium atoms can be occurred at a lower temperature, which makes the latter the more favorable fusion reaction. According to a recent news case, an artificial sun in Korea lasted for 20 seconds. It implies the era of nuclear fusion energy may come in near future.